Hello, I am the Tactical Nerd, and I'm going to show you something that might be useful. So, I am going to show you how to make a tripwire out of these little things. Party poppers. You can use these tripwires for Nerf, airsoft, paintball. Any of those things will work. So, let's get right into the video. They're pretty cheap. I got them $1.47 for a 10-pack at Walmart. So, they're not really expensive. So, the first thing you want to do to your party popper is give it some spray paint. I'm using black spray paint. You want to give it some kind of camouflage, so just give it a spraying here. Now it's spray painted, so we're gonna wait for this to dry, and we'll be right next to the video. What you need is somewhere to put your line across, and somewhere so you can put your popper, obviously. So you could use trees or small saplings, or do what I did and pound some sticks into the ground here. But yeah, just something that you can put a line across, and you can put your thing that you need on it. So that's the next thing you need. Popper is done drying, so the next thing you want to do is tie a little loop on the end of the string of your party popper if it doesn't have one on there already. So I tied a loop there, that should do it. And then we're gonna attach this to that stick and that stick. So if you have different size sticks, your thicker one is where you would want to put your party popper. So yeah, we'll put it right here like that. I'm gonna put it right here. So we're gonna take some zip ties. We're gonna zip tie this to here, right here, and then that can go across, and then when someone walks there, it pops. Our party popper is zip tied to where we want it to go. If you want to snip these ends off, you can, or you can use electrical tape to put it on, but just for the video, I'm not gonna snip them off. So yeah, next thing you want to do is you want to take this here and you want to tie it to some string. You want to tie it to some fishing wire, and then you want to run that fishing wire to your next stick over here. So that's what we're gonna do. Right, the line here goes across to that side with an eye hook. I'm using trilene 10-pound line, so let's see if the 10-pound line can hold up, because I was using 4-pound before and it wasn't working. So let's try it. Yeah! Yeah! It worked. So there we go. Worked. So yeah, use something higher. Use 10-pound or higher, or it'll just break. So yeah, that was the party popper. It was, trip line. So if you need a cheap way to get like a trip line or something that you can use for airsoft or Nerf or paintball, all you have to do is pick up some of these party poppers, 10 for $1.50. Need some eye hooks and some fishing line. So yeah, it'll be a really cheap way instead of having to buy expensive trip line stuff. So yeah, this is an easy way how to do it. I am the Tactical Nerd, and thanks for watching.